Day like 6 or 7 of me doing my makeup. So I got some new products, I guess. So these are foundation stick, foundation, concealer, and then I got a contour as well. But I won't be using it yet because I feel like I have not gotten to the contour level yet. So eyebrows first. Eyebrows. Okay. And then this is foundation. So we're gonna figure this out as we go. Okay, cool. Okay. It's foundation. Okay, guys. We're gonna figure this out together. So wish me luck. Oh, okay. Not bad. I'm gonna put a little more concealer on just so it's a little brighter. But I think it looks pretty good. Coverage is better than I thought it would be. Okay, here we are. Blush. Okay, blush and lip gloss. Oh my god, I didn't even realize this was in my hair. Y'all weren't gonna tell me? Anyways, guys, this is day 7 or 6, I don't know.